Okay. I love you.
Good afternoon, ladies and gents. Look who's back. I'm just out on a little bit of a test ride of the fixed bike. Just took it out for about 20 minutes, just to have a bit of a ride around. I've got no leaks, shifting gears up and down like a dream. I've got no issues with the steering on it. Brakes are perfectly fine. Engine pulls like a train. SV650s, you cannot complain. It's cost us about 130 quid to fix it from a pretty like iffy crash. What I've done, I'll take you around the bike. Yeah, so let's have a look. So what have I done? I've replaced this left hand top fairing. Basically everything from this line here down, it's been replaced. Got a new little sticker. If anyone can identify Road and Track, I think it's a magazine, but the logo doesn't look quite the same, so I've got no idea. There's a few sort of cosmetic things to do. There's some scratches on it. I need to get that little bit of writing from the parts number off. I've replaced the rear set, basically everything apart from the shift rod. So apart from that, which was slightly bent actually already before the crash, which I've hammered back in place. I've replaced the indicator, which was a nightmare. This is a bit of a hybrid of 3 separate indicators. I had the same truck come past us 3 times. I'm just outside the Nissan plant in Washington with anyone in a white van. I've got like 5,000 in the car park. So someone will probably call the cops on us. But yeah, no, bike's all working, I'm all working. I'm having trouble driving because the rotation to turn the wheel is pulling on one of the tendons that got damaged. But luckily with pulling in the clutch, it's like a linear pull, and it's not using the tendon really that got damaged. So I'm actually finding it easier to ride the bike than to drive the car, which is a bit of an odd one. But yeah, knees all good, they're all sorted, and my shoulder, that's a bit sort of sore, but I've been told to get plenty of sort of exercise, and when you're on the bike, pretty much your shoulder's relatively static. In terms of the way that you're dislocated in pulling it forward, it's actually okay on a rotational movement, so I haven't got any issues with that. So if I'm being honest, for having a motorbike crash and the way that I fell, sort of high siding over then onto me shoulder and hands, ride the motorcycle's not a bit of a bother. But yeah, I thought I'd give you an update. She's back running, she's all good. Yeah, pretty perfect, no issues. We'll get a few videos back up soon, and then just pray for a bit of warmer weather so we don't want to end up with that issue again, because if you can say that, there's still a bit of moisture in the air condensing. So yeah, I will catch you in a bit. And much love to Sven, Steve, Slobo, people who've asked after us. Yeah, you're all fantastic, and we'll get back to making some videos. Get back online. Cheers, bye.